Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about the Floyd Washall algorithm. So this is of the all pair shortest path. All pair shortest path means if I consider 1 as the source node from 1 to 2, from 1 to 3 and 1 to 4, what will be the shortest path? From one node to all other node, what will be the shortest path? It will be called as the all pair shortest path. Now let's consider, first we will be solving using the matrix. So in the matrix, first it will be D0. Since we are having 4 vertices, there will be 4 plus 1, 5 steps. 4 plus 1, that is 5 steps. This is D0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1 to 1, there is no self loop, so 0. 1 to 2, if there is directed edge, then only you must mark. 1 to 2, there is directed edge, its value is 9. 1 to 3, it is minus 4. 1 to 4, there is no edge, direct edge is not there, so we will write infinity. Next 2 to 1, so 2 to 1 it is there, so its value is 6. Next 2 to 2, that is self loop is not there, 0. 2 to 3, it is 2. So 2 to 3, there is no edge, because from 3 to 2 it is there, but 2 to 3 directed edge is not there, so we will write infinity. Next from 2 to 4, it is 2. Next 3 to 1, there is no edge, so we will write infinity. From 1 to 3 it is there, but 3 to 1 it is not there. 3 to 2 it is there, its value is 5. 3 to 3, self loop is not there, so self loop value is 0. Next from 3 to 4, there is no edge, so write infinity. From 4 to 1, there is no direct edge. From 4 to 2, there is no direct edge. From 4 to 3, there is directed edge, its value is 1. From 4 to 4, self loop, so its value is equal to 0. If there is no self loop in the given problem, all the diagonal elements will be equal to 0. Now we are completed with the first matrix, still we should do 4 matrices. Now I will be constructing D1. I will be constructing second matrix, that is D1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you must do is, you are constructing the D1 matrix. So the first row and first column will be same. First row and first column will be same. So 0, 9, minus 4, infinity, 6, infinity, infinity. And since there is no self loop for all the vertices, their diagonal elements will be equal to 0. Now we are left out with only this much space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements we should fill. So how you should fill is, first 2, 3. You must fill 2, 3. What you must do is, since we are doing for D1, so from 2 you must come to 1, and from 1 you must go to 3. Here from 2 you must come to 1, from 1 you are going to 3. 2, 1, 1, 3. So take the previous matrix as the reference. So take D0 as the reference. So 2, 3. 2, 3 value is infinity. Here 2, 1 value is 6 plus 1, 3. So 1, 3 value is minus 4. If you see, infinity and 6 minus 4 is 2. So among these two, who is the smaller one? 2. So write 2. Next you must find for 2, 4. For 2, 4, what it will be? 2, 1, 1, 4. So 2, 4 value. 2, 4 value is 2. 2, 1 value is 6. Next 1, 4 value is infinity. So if you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity only. Now among infinity and 2, which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. Write 2. Next 3, 2. Next is 3, 2. How you will go for 3, 2? 3, 1 plus 1, 2. So 3, 2 value is 5. 3, 1 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity only. Among infinity and 5, which is the smallest? 5 is smallest, so write 5. Now next step, 3, 4 you must find. 3, 4. So while finding 3, 4, 3, 1 plus 1, 4. So 3 comma 4 value is infinity, 3 comma 1 value is infinity. So both are infinity, so you can write infinity only. Now 4 comma 2. Next you must find for 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 1 plus 1 comma 2. 4 comma 2 value is infinity, 4 comma 1 value is infinity. So infinity, if you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity only. So you can write infinity directly. Now 4 comma 3, you must find for 4 comma 3. So 4 comma 1 plus 3 comma 1. So 4 comma 3 value is 1, 4 comma 1 value is infinity. So if you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So among infinity and 1, which is the smallest element? 1 is the smallest element. So write 1. Now we are completed with the 2 matrices. Still 3 matrices are left. Now let's go for the D2 matrix. So while considering D2, we will be taking the reference of D1. Since it is the second one, what we will be doing? We will be taking the second row and second column as the common. Second row and second column as common. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So second column is 9, 0, 5, infinity. Second column 6, 0, 2, 2. And since all the vertices are not having the self loop, so all the diagonal elements will be equal to 0. Now let's find 1 comma 3. How to find 1 comma 3? First, since it is the second matrix, you should come for 2 and again go from 2. So 1 comma 2 plus 2 comma 3. What is the value of 1 comma 3? Take reference of the previous matrix. 1 comma 3 value is minus 4. 1 comma 2 value is 9 plus 2 comma 3 value is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. This is minus 4. Minus 4 and 11, if you consider, minus 4 is the smaller one. So write minus 4. Next 1 comma 4. So to find 1 comma 4, you must go from 1 comma 2 to 2 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 value is infinity. Next 1 comma 2 value is 9 and 2 comma 4 value is 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Among 11 and infinity, which is the smallest one? 11 is the smallest one. So write 11. Now 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1. So for 3 comma 1, you will go from 3 to 2 and again 2 to 1. So 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is infinity. 3 comma 2 is 5. 2 comma 1 is 6. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So if you see, among 11 and infinity, 11 is the smaller one. So we will write 11. Next 3 comma 4. So to find 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2 plus 2 comma 4. 3 comma 4 value is infinity. 3 comma 2 value is 5. Next 2 comma 4 value is 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Among 7 and infinity, 7 is the smaller one. So I will write 7. Now 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. So we will go from 4 to 2 and 2 to 1. 4 comma 1 value. 4 comma 1 value is infinity. Next 4 comma 2 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. So I will write infinity here. Next 4 comma 3. So if you want 4 comma 3, you will go from 4 to 2 and 2 to 3. 4 comma 3 value is 4 comma 3 value is 1. 4 comma 3 value is 1. 4 comma 2 value is infinity. If you add anything to infinity, it will be infinity itself. Among 1 and infinity, 1 is the small. I will write 1 here. Now we are completed with the third matrix. Still we are left with only 2 matrices. Now I must construct D3. So to construct D3, I will be considering the third column and the third row as same. Third column and third row as same. Just write those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4, 2, 0, 1, 11, 5, 7. Since the self loop are not there for all the elements, so we will be writing the zeros for the diagonal. Now I must find 1 comma 2. I must find 1 comma 2. So to find the 1 comma 2, I will be taking reference of D2, that is the previous matrix. Now in D2, what is the value of, so to find 1 comma 2, 1 comma, now it is the third matrix, that is D3. So we are finding for the D3. So what we will do, we will go from 1 to 3 and come back from 3 to 2, that is 1 comma 3 plus 3 comma 2. So what is the value of 1 comma 2 in the previous matrix, that is D2? 1 comma 2 value is 9 and 1 comma 3 value is minus 4 plus 3 comma 2 value is 5. So minus 4 plus 5 is 1. Among 9 and 1, which is the smaller one? 1. So write 1. Next 1 comma 4. So to find 1 comma 4, you will be going from 1 comma 3 to 3 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 value is 11 and 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 is minus 4, 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is 7. So minus 4 plus 7 means plus 3. So among 11 and 3, which is the smaller number? So 3 is the smaller number, just write 3. Now 2 comma 1. So to find 2 comma 1, we will be going from 2 comma 3 to 3 comma 1. 2 comma 1 value is 0. Next 2 comma 3 value is 2. So since 0 is there, so less than 0 value could not be coming. Next 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 value is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. So among 13 and 0, which is the smallest element? 0. Just write 0 here. Next 2 comma 4. To go from 2 comma 4, you will be going to 2 comma 3 plus 3 comma 4. 2 comma 4 value is 2. Next 2 comma 3 value is 2 plus 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 value is 7. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Among 9 and 2, which is the smaller one? 2. So write 2. Next we are left with only 2 elements, that is 4 comma 1. So if you want 4 comma 1, you will be going from 4 comma 3 plus 3 comma 1. So what will be the answer? So 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1 is infinity. 4 comma 3 is 1. Next 3 comma 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Among 12 and infinity, 12 is the small, write 12. Next 4 comma 2 you want. So 4 comma 3 plus 3 comma 2. 4 comma 2 value is infinity. 4 comma 3 value is 1. And 3 comma 2 value. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 value is 5. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. So 6 is less than infinity. So I wrote 6. Now we are completed with the fourth matrix. We are left out with another only one matrix. Now let's write that one. So the final matrix is D4. So our goal is to find the all pair shortest path and to remove all the infinity, that is the unknown values. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what I will be doing? Here what I will be doing? I will be taking the fourth column and the fourth row as common. Just write 3, 2, 7, 0, 12, 6, 1, 0. And since my vertices are not having the self loops, the diagonal elements will be equal to 0. Now I must find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Answer. So the first one is 1 comma 2. So to find 1 comma 2, what you must do? You must go from 1. This is the fourth one, no? So you must go from 1 comma 4 plus 4 comma 2. You must go to 4 and come back to 2. So 1 comma 2 value. While considering this matrix, you should take the reference of the previous matrix, that is D3. So what is the value of 1 comma 2? 1 comma 2 is 1. 1 comma 4 is 3. 4 comma 2 is 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1. Among 9 and 1, which is the smaller one? 1. Next 1 comma 3. So to find 1 comma 3, you will be going from 1 comma 4 plus 4 comma 3. Now what is the value of 1 comma 3? 1 comma 3 is minus 4. 1 comma 4 is 3. 4 comma 3 is 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Among plus 4 and minus 4, which is the smaller one? Minus 4. So minus 4 will be written here. Now 2 comma 1. So to find 2 comma 1, how you should find? You must go from 2 to 4 and come from 4 to 1. 2 comma 1 value in the previous matrix, it is 0. Next 2 comma 4 value is 2. 4 comma 1 value is 12. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Among 14 and 0, who is the smaller one? 0. So write 0. Next I must find 2 comma 3 value. I must find 2 comma 3. So we will be going from 2 comma 4 to 4 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 value in previous matrix. 2 comma 3 value is 2 and 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 value is 2 plus 4 comma 3 value is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Among 2 and 3, which is the smallest one? Among 2 and 3, it is 2. So write 2 here. Now we are left out with only 2 elements, that is 3 comma 1. If you consider 3 comma 1, we must be going from 3 comma 4 plus 4 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 value, what is the 3 comma 1 value? It is 11. 3 comma 4 value is 7 plus 4 comma 1 value is 12. So 12 plus 7 is 19. Among 19 and 11, which is the smallest one? The smallest one will be 11. So write 11. Next 3 comma 2. So to find 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4 plus 4 comma 2. 3 comma 2 value is 5 and 3 comma 4 value is 7. 4 comma 2 value is 6. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. Among 13 and 5, which is the smaller one? 5. So we will be writing 5 here. Now we found out the shortest pair for all of the paths. So let's see how means. Now I said all pair shortest path. Now I must find the shortest path from 3 to 1, 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. Here 3, this is D3, no? Check D3, 3. 3 to 1 it is 11, shortest path. 3 to 2 it is 5 and 3 to 4 it is 7. Here, hope you understood the concept of the Floyd Washall, that is all pair shortest path algorithm. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and if you liked the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.